Surrounded by nature and scenic beauty, you will fall in love with this amazing single-story Twilight floor plan. This 4,430 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath floor plan features a stunning combination of brick and stone masonry that provides amazing curb appeal. As you make your way through the beautiful custom double doors to the foyer of this Twilight floor plan, you will find a formal dining room with double tray ceiling and crown molding. Across the foyer is a spacious private study with double French doors that's perfect for a home office. The designer California kitchen features a huge Eden island, stainless steel Electrolux appliances, a built-in double oven and microwave, a gas cooktop range, and double stacked cabinets topped off with luxurious quartz countertops. Right off the kitchen is a breakfast nook surrounded by windows overlooking the covered patio. The family room features a custom floor-to-ceiling fireplace and offers plenty of room for entertaining friends and family. Escape to the private master suite with elegant double tray ceiling, sitting area, and private patio access. Relax in the serene master bath in the deep, relaxing jetted tub, or the oversized walk-in shower complete with dual shower heads and custom tile. This luxurious master bath also includes custom cabinets, dual vanities, and a massive walk-in master closet. If you love to entertain, you will be right at home in the game room or the large media room that comes pre-wired for surround sound and is perfect for watching your favorite movies or the big game. This home comes with 3 additional secondary bedrooms, complete with private bathrooms. This Twilight floor plan also includes a huge covered patio with an outdoor fireplace, perfect for relaxing after a long day. This magnificent Twilight floor plan is now available. Call or visit Gallery Custom Homes to find out more about building the Twilight plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.